So things have moved.
Hey!
They have changes to continue to make. They've started to make them. They're going to continue to make them. Some youth entering the Met picture. And they got a good performance from Scherzer, a good performance from Verlander. Hey, that's exactly what they needed to start the movie.
There he goes again. What
Yankees,
the hell are you doing?
Same thing, playing much better ball. But again, taking advantage of teams that are weak and Cleveland can't hit, that's an issue. The Reds are overmatched by the Yankees. That's an issue. Yankees are going to own that ballpark. So even though they didn't score really that many runs the rest of last week. You also do that?
No. I try not to follow first.
Right turn, regret.
Oh my God, can you believe what they said? Let's quote tweet it, let's dunk on it, let's write an article, and If somebody comes around saying something totally reasonable, like, hey, you should have more empathy, humans, they go,
exit dive.
Yeah, but God, that's insensitive.
Person Nandini, you're awesome. Thank you so much for coming. And then also a big smile.
Whoa! Why'd you do that?
I think it's in Psalm 76.
Yeah. What's the point of detouring down here if this road is closed too? What the fuck?
It's time to change that if you want to get into high peak shape. So before I list out the main areas that we need to strengthen to get into high peak shape,
about what actually was going on, and it helped us understand that galaxies collide.
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going, Cameroid? That's not left.
By the way, and we needed the computers to make that happen. So that was in the 1970s. Computing power rose to then say, well, I wonder what a galaxy would look like if it collided with another galaxy.
Go.
Hey, that matches our catalog number 32.
You got me in the middle of the intersection.
And
quit looking down.
You look at it at a different angle. That's a different object.
It's called Fraktur script. So we colloquially refer to it as Gothic script. But the spelling is
exit dive.
So anyway, we're going with we're going to look at 2 Timothy 3:16, which is the lesser of the famous 3:16s, especially if you're a sports fan, but still pretty important to a lot of folks.
You did not stop.
It makes other people really mad. So, like.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. No, stop. No, stop. No, stop again. I don't know if that one got on camera, though.
Friends love Nick, and they all have stories about sweet things Nick has done for them over the years.
That was a no stop.
Nick's dad arrives with Go. They stand silently on the doorstep.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Expressionless. Noelle Hawthorne? Right. I told you to check her out because she's been all over town wailing about Amy. Boney arched an eye.
Good guy, Nick. He couldn't bear to have everyone in this family values town believe he's
exit regret.
Police departments. Noelle will spill my pregnancy news very soon if she has.
Red light, run. Red light, run. You're a freaking school bus. Why'd you run?
When I died, I'd be known as that.
Oh, geeses. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. At least it's not me this time. Alright, just a little bit of a warning. This next clip involves a bird getting hit with my van. If you do not want to watch this, skip ahead for a good 15 seconds. You've been warned.
People love it. I'm turning around public opinion like you told me to.
Oh,
you don't do that
damn
kind
it.
of thing in an
Sorry, bird.
B, you deserve that. So, if you're ready to begin...
Meso left.
Go after.
There's people in the Republican
No,
Party
stop.
that see an end to no-fault divorce.
Yeah.
And if
no,
you're,
stop
like,
again.
preaching that you...
There were cars
oh my
coming,
God,
too. I wonder how
family,
close they are.
family, marriage, have babies.
The light was reflected off, or actually shining light in the back of your head. It was reflected off the back of your head. It could travel.
That's red light run, red light run, red light run. That's a pretty bad one.
It's looking at me like we're so far off. Yeah. Yeah.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I was 26. Soprano said it. That's good enough for me. Anyway, I prefer the first possible origin for the dish. All the best and go fuck yourself. P.S. An email on Monday mentioned call signs. The one given to me is puddles. But when you land on lakes? But traditionally, you only share the origin of the name after a few adult beverages. Oh, God. I didn't
Really?
know what that means. Does he like to get peed
Yeah, I saw that way up there.
Puddles. All right, here's sayings that you get wrong. Okay. All right, everybody. The last 15 years. One saying that I got wrong until I saw it written was death knell. I thought it was death nail.
Wait, what?
I
What
would
the
have
fuck
corrected
is...
him. Miss Collins, we're Amy's parents. Mary Beth was beginning.
Last
She tried to
second
touch
bird
Jacqueline
cut off.
on the
Yeah,
shoulder.
bad.
And Jacqueline's actually working the case. Go asked. There is
Really?
no case.
Really?
And ran wild through downtown heaven.
No, stop!
We have somebody saying there can be only one.
That's
And
right.
then we've got the
Red light run, red light run, red light run!
Right, and you can get a bond that'll open a key, and then there'll be a guy, and then you're gonna stab a girl.
Red
and then you get the money.
Yeah, red light run, red light run, red light run!
So plus he should make. I don't know goals. He could have easily won that.
No, stop!
But he didn't.
That type thing like the Anglican Church. The nice Christians. The nice Christians who don't seem to be very...
Hey!
Only 17%
Really?
though. So that they switched because their church congregation became too political.
Arizona. I guess they don't have stop signs there.
And I love a good dream, right? Yeah. Like there's really nothing like it. Because
Really?
it's so fantastical.
Yep, thanks a lot. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We are on I-81 north of Syracuse. There's no left lane restriction here. Although there really should be, because that left lane goes on for a really long time. But whatever. I don't make up the rules. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!